Hi all, welcome to our channel. So, Twitter Media Studio, how we can enable that already we discussed in the previous video, how to use our Media Studio option on the particular Twitter account. Select here in the Creator Studio, there will option name is called Media Studio option. It is eligible based on your post. Eligible based on your post. Select your upload media. Select any one media here. I'm selecting for video here. First video is uploaded. Media Studio mainly video we can upload along with the link also we can upload. Video and the link also will be upload. So here is done. Click for here. In this, I have to show will be in your particular post. They will be called social media posting will be here. Select it. Click this. Come to scroll down. What is that? Edit media settings. Scroll down. Yeah, what is that? Link action to the link. Link action to the link. Here is the what is the we can selecting from here is option. So what is the digital creator title? The supporting 135 characters. This will be supporting for 255 character. Up to 280 will support it, right up to 255 characters. So subscribe, copy. Here is that. What is showing? Watch now. Visit site. What we can click for? It's not a website. Watch now. Here it is option. Everything will be perfect. Will be here. What finally click for? Tweet. The tweet again visible by the particular media studio option. Two benefit is there. The benefit is called video will be playing here is option and click here they go to your website or YouTube channel. Both can will be flexible. The link visible will be here, not for the footer. The link will visible by where? Here is option. So that is called people looking for media studio option and any post. Not only this post, any old post is there. Just a one month, 1 year back post is there. Click this option. Select here. Here is option. Look into this. This will be old posters. There is no option call is here. But we can come into the point. Video. This. What is it? Now clear? This acceptance only for video purpose only. Media studio only suitable by video. So if I am selecting for image, is a video. Now image is a video. Sorry, not image. Click it. Image. Any image is editable? No. So that is called media studio is working only for video option. That is called engage your video along with the link. That is called media studio option. So that is the main drawback for media studio. Image is not suitable. Only video can suitable. Again, video will be promoting and website also will be promote your using media studio option. So this is the way we can advertise your particular website and YouTube channel by using Creator Studio. How it is used? Same like using for Twitter Media Studio option. Utilize them and click here, getting for more views and subscriber on your particular YouTube channel. Traffic will be your particular website option. If any question will be here, contact my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.